just make sure you look for good entries that can guarantee the trade. Because if you are trying to flip and you have to just be very focused and look for more higher quality setup that can guarantee the trade.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So guys, today is Friday, and I haven't taken any trades right from on Monday, and today is already Friday, and the only trade I took was yesterday. I'm recording this video, guys, by 1 p.m. I'm recording this video at 1 p.m. So we are already in another day. So this is the trade I took today, guys. I'm currently in this trade right now. I see it's even approaching my stop loss. It's playing around inside my stop loss right now. So why I took this trade is that, price broke this structure. As I said before, I'll be following just one simple rule, and which is just break of structure, liquidity created, or break of structure, marking my order block, and market creating liquidity, sweeping the liquidity. Then, I'm trading from that break of structure, the origin that created the break of structure. So this is the origin that created the break of structure, guys. So price broke this structure to the downside. So I marked it from this origin. So, price came to this, created liquidity somewhere around here, then, swept it. I took the trade I took the trade somewhere around here. So, price came down, gave me a little bit profit, and it is playing around with my SL right now. So, what I'm just looking at is that if price doesn't want to go down, maybe price will come, stop me out and tap into this zone. So if price takes out this high that I'm trading currently in right now, if price takes out this high, so there is a higher chance price will pull back. So I'll be trading the pullback right from here. If price break this high and sweep this high, so high chance price will come back to this zone, then balance back this imbalance and fair value gap and whatever that is around here. So that's just my view. So if price takes out this high, I'm trading from here, setting my limit order here. I think I'll be doing that. So and I'll be showing you guys the current trade, the current equity of how the trade is going right now. I'll be showing it on the screen right here so you guys can see that. So I think that's just it. Nothing much for the week, guys. So guys, quick one. If you're looking for a good broker to trade, you can try out BTCdana. They are one of the best broker you can find currently on the internet. They offer as low as $3 deposit and as high as 500 leverage for you guys to trade. So if you want to trade with them, I'll be leaving all the links below. You can also use my promo code to get as high as 100% deposit bonus when you use my promo code. So guys, go check the description. I'll also leaving it in the comment section. You guys just check it and it out, guys. So guys, I think for today, that'll be it for today. So I'll be recording another video tomorrow, Saturday, which is the end of the week. So currently I don't know how this trade is gonna end me, because today is already Friday. And I'm still in this trade. Today is the last day of the week. I'm still in this trade. So let's see how it's gonna go, guys. So guys, the trade I took on Thursday, I lost the trade. So as you can see right here on the screen, so price almost hit my stop loss. Price almost hit my SL. So it went back into my direction, but I was right with the direction, but I was wrong with the entry, which is there is still an area price still wants to come and test it. So price created liquidity. This was the liquidity I traded. So the entry I took was the liquidity being created. So price just came, sweep the liquidity, and it is going to my direction right now. So what I feel is that price might break this structure, then tap into this zone. So when price tap into this zone, I'm taking another entry because price has swept this liquidity and came back into this range. So which is there is a higher chance price is aiming for this buy side liquidity right here. So that's just my view. Nothing really much for the week. This was the only trade I took for the week. So guys, I'll be starting a new challenge next week, which I'll be risking at least $3 per trade, $3 to $5 per trade, with the intention to hit at least to $6 to $10. So I think that'll be my plan for next week. That's my plan for next week, rather, which is like tomorrow, Monday to Friday. So let's see how it's gonna go, guys. So the broker I'll be using for this challenge, which will be BTCdana. I have made a video about it. You guys should go check it out. It is an amazing broker. You guys should check it out. They have at least $3 minimum deposit to $5 minimum deposit. So if you are a person that doesn't really have much to trade, you can, at least deposit $3, with the, you can't do a $3 account to a $100. You have to just flip it. Just just play around with it and just make sure you look for good entries.
Entries that can guarantee the trade, because if you are trying to flip and you have to just be very focused and look for more higher quality setup that can guarantee the trade. So guys, I know a lot of people might be coming at me in the comment section that are saying, flipping is not a good way to trade. I know, but let's come to think of it. If you deposit at least $10 to $20 on an account, you'll be risking at least $3 to $5. So if you have that as a balance in your account, you can just flip it. It is reasonable. You can flip it to double it to like $6 to $10. So that is my aim for next week. So that's the new challenge I'm going for next week. So you guys will be seeing this kind of videos. So guys, what I'll be using for this challenge, the broker I'll be using for this challenge is BTCdana. I've made a video about it and I've said it. You guys to go check. Make sure you sign up with this broker, guys. Honestly, I'm so excited, guys. Honestly, I'm working on something. I've been working on something, and very soon I'll be showing it to you guys. Honestly, this week has been really, really, really great. I'm making this video on Sunday. I should have uploaded this video yesterday, which was on Saturday, but I was very busy with work. Honestly, I was very, very tied up. So I'm just finishing up this video today. So if you are seeing this video today, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Support your boy in any way you can. So guys, let's see how next is gonna go. I know it is gonna be great by the grace of God. So guys, see you in the next one. Much love, much love. Stay tuned, guys.